Hi friends, are you guys ready for some fried rice with meatballs? It's gonna be yummy. So let's get cooking. So here we have all the veggies ready. 1 whole onion diced, 2 green chilies, spring onions, cabbage. These are the mixed vegetables, green peas and chicken meatballs. So let's heat up the pan and get cooking. Rice that I made last night and I kept it in the fridge. Let's add a little bit of oil, mixed vegetables, then the green chilies and the cabbage. We can let this cook for a minute. Let's add the meatballs. Please add the green peas. This looks very colorful. We can let this cook for a minute till they turn translucent. Let's add a little bit of ginger garlic. This fried rice is going to be rich. Let's add a pinch of turmeric, some chili powder. We'll add a little bit of salt. Fried rice is very easy to make if you do the prep work beforehand. Cut all the veggies, get the rice ready. It's easy to make. Look at these meatballs. Don't these look good? Now we can add the rice. I've got another video of how you make the rice. Look at it, it's nice and smooth. Soya sauce. Just a little sesame oil. Now we can add the spring onions. This looks yummy. Fried rice. Look at it. Look at the rice. Look at the meatballs. Doesn't this look yummy? Fried rice can't get any better than this. Guys, if you love this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving it a like and a comment. That would greatly be appreciated. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.